If you're looking for a low-profile mechanical keyboard, look no further. This is a low free flow and it's built specifically for productivity. The keyboard is very aesthetically pleasing as the whole chassis is built out of aluminum, has copper accents, and sits at just 10mm thick. It has 2 modes of connectivity, allowing you to use it both wired and wirelessly, and also has a hot swappable PCB. This model features their Ghost linear switches, which offers a quieter typing experience. This keyboard has great build quality, great aesthetics, and honestly, a great typing experience. I highly recommend checking this one out.